Practice is nothing but repetition with an objective. So next time, if you think the only and the first important thing that you want to write in your resume is XYZ years of experience in ABC function, take a pause and ask this question. The years of experience that you've put there, is it because of repeat or is it because of practice? 99% of the resumes that at least I have come over in my professional experience starts with this statement: XYZ years of rich experience in managing ABC function. For some reason, this is the highlight, this is the start point, this is where the maximum weightage and a value is given. Not only this, when I interview people, that's where the conversation starts. I bring 15 years of rich experience in this particular function. For a large part of my life, I confused repetition to practice. I thought just by doing something throughout every single day will help me become better at it, will help me improve the output that I'm looking at. On an interesting note, I've been brushing my teeth for ages. If I do a maths, it's more than 2000 hours of brushing that I've done. But why is that I'm still not the world champion in brushing my teeth? What did I miss? Why am I not there in the world record of somebody who's been absolutely stunning when it comes to brushing the teeth? It is because when I've been brushing my teeth, I have been repeating myself. Here is when the magic happens. Here is when repeat transforms into practice. If I add a dimension of a goal, a specific objective, or a direction, or an upskilling, or a growth to what I repeat, is when it becomes a practice. So practice is nothing when I repeat something with an objective in mind, with an objective to become better, is when it becomes practice. Let's go back to the example of brushing teeth. If I say I want to be the person who should have the strongest teeth in the city or the state or this capital or this country or this world, I'm adding an objective to my repetition. What it will do, it will push me to read more, study more, find more, speak to people who have done that, understand more, and go deeper into the subject so that every time when I repeat, I'm doing something better, I'm improving, I'm growing. This is when repeat becomes practice. Practice is nothing but repetition with an objective, repetition with a goal, repetition to become better at something. So next time, if you think the only and the first important thing that you can and want to write in your resume is XYZ years of experience in ABC function, take a pause and ask this question. The years of experience that you've put there, is it because of repeat or is it because of practice? Now, if it is only repeat, please do not make that as the key call out of your resume. It can't be. But if you've really practiced, if you've really grown, if you had goals and if you've become better, that's when those experience would be of humongous value. So stop confusing repetition with practice. And if you want more out of life, you know which one to focus on. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below on your thoughts, on your experiences. Have a great day.